So the first morning when I got up, I was at Ramona Lake, and yeah, I was in the tent, and I could hear like sticks breaking, and I thought, oh, something's come after my food. You know, it's hanging up from a tree. So I got out, and then quickly realized the sound wasn't coming from anywhere near my camp. It was coming from across the water, and so actually I saw a moose. I was quite surprised. I did take some video. So here I am at the Susan Lake Lookout. It's like 10:50 right now. I started on the trail 8:30 from Ramona Lake. And usually I stop here and have some chips, potato chips, but it's still early in my trip. And so I think I'm just going to take this video and then keep going. I'm heading to Rainbow Lake, but this year I'm at campsite 2 for some reason. I guess I made a mistake when I booked it, but we'll see what it's like. Hopefully it's like the first campsite. I would say, well, things are going really well. My pack seems a lot lighter than previous years. So it's actually very easy to hike on the trail, but I would say there are more mosquitoes this year. So I'm wearing a long sleeve. It's not bad, but I'm sweating. But I shouldn't take too long to get to camp. So anyways, that's Susan Lake. Apparently there's a bear in the area. Apparently someone had their food taken this morning or recently. So maybe we'll see a bear. So although I was concerned about weight, you know, I tried to minimize the weight of my food. I dehydrated everything. And every time I go camping, I like to take a picture of all my food. And when I saw it, I just thought it was funny because when I saw it, like, oh, there's 9 days of food. I could do this. I think I could do 14 days, but I don't know if I'll ever do 14 days. But I think when the 9 days of food were spread out on the table, it didn't look so bad. So I was less nervous. But yeah, I got to stop thinking about going longer and longer and longer. So I've started a tradition. So every year I come out here, before I come, I go to the thrift store and I buy a new shirt. Something that's not cotton, so hopefully it won't get super wet if it rains. But I do buy a new shirt because otherwise all the pictures kind of look the same year to year. And you really don't change outfits much when you're out here. So yeah, I'll buy a thrift shirt from the thrift store. But yeah, different shirt every year. It's a long sleeve, but I'm not wearing it right now because I'm on the trail. But you'll see that the shirt, it's still blue, but it's slightly different than last year.